Hi team, today we're going to go over how to close out in Helpscout, how to close out and or assign uh, the appropriate things for work order bills. So when we're coming through here, especially true in the morning, a lot of our vendors tend to put invoices out overnight. And so we'll get them in the morning and Helpscout will be clogged with a lot of these attachments, these invoices, and that sort of stuff. So instead of simply just assigning them to Alpha or Bravo in here and clogging that up, in order to free up our team to really move quickly, when we're all in here attacking, or one of us or a couple of us are in here attacking Help Scout, what we can do is we can actually, in a matter of a minute or two, dive into these invoices, get them assigned to the appropriate folder, and we'll actually close it out. And then we're also going to end up closing out the work order in Appfolio. So I'll step you through that process real quick, and hopefully we'll be able to keep Help Scout clean. So right here, I scroll down and I see that Michael Smith, our handyman, this is Sioux Falls handyman, has an invoice here for a Minnesota Avenue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click into the actual Help Scout request, and I'm going to open up the attachment. The attachment says actual invoice, and it outlines the price for what he charged 44. That's not really that important. What's really important here is we're looking for a work order number. Okay, in order for us to search for this actual work request in Appfolio, we need to look at the work order number. Right here we have on this particular invoice work order number. Okay, I know some invoices don't actually say work order number; they might say invoice number and that sort of thing. This is for his reference, most likely. On our end, you look for a number that's usually 5 digits, dash something. It'll be dash 1, 2, or 3, or something like that. So in this case, right here's our work order 15377-1. Okay, so I'm going to take that and I'm going to copy that into Appfolio. So I'm going to open up Appfolio and I am going to paste that into here and I'm going to search. And it looks like we have a work order that popped up right here. So I open up that work order, 15377. Okay. From this point, what I really need to do is I'm going to end up closing this out. But before I do that, just to make sure there's no issues that pop up, I'm actually going to download and save this invoice. So what I'm going to do, download it here, and it's going to bring up my files. What I've gone ahead and done beforehand is created a shortcut for Alpha or Bravo payables, which is the folder we're going to be saving it to. How I know if this is an Alpha or Bravo is in this Appfolio request, I can actually see that in this work order request that I copy and pasted, it shows the property right here and says what team. So I know I'm going to be putting this in Alpha payables. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Help Scout again and really open up this invoice. Again, downloading it. I am saving it to Alpha Payables, right? Now, before I actually save it, I'm going to rename it. So in our system, we like to do the date. So it's 2019. It's January, so 1. And today's date's the 16th, okay? And then we want to do the property address, which was 6225 South Minnesota Avenue. And then we're going to put the work order number. Work order, and then that was 15377-1. Now I'm going to save that. Again, it's going to be saving to Alpha Payables. So I just go ahead and save it. Perfect. And now what I can do is I can close this invoice. I can open up Help Scout again, and I can close this out. Okay, I am officially done with that. Last step in here. Remember, I have this work order open. What I'm going to do is, because I just now have filed the bill into a payables folder, I can actually go to actions here on this work order, and I can mark job done. No need to send survey. No bill needed. Go ahead and hit save. And we're done. If you have any questions, be sure to ask someone.